Hi there, welcome back. Your go to destination for all things and creative and innovatives. We are about to drive the data manipulation with Nime. We are going to unreveal the mystery of the column expression node in Nime today. Don't forget to give that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. First of all, we just create a new workflow name as column expressions. I'm absolutely thrilled to have each and every one. Okay, the column expression workflow has been open. Now we just let's head over the node repository, type CSV to locate the node of reading files. Click there. Click on and browser. Click browser and navigate the desired file path to read the file. I just read the file. Once you have done that, you will notice yellow mark indicated that the file is now ready to be executed. Now press F7 or execute from here. Next, right click and scroll down and select the file table. For output, to view the records, we will observe that the data consists 5000 rows and 9 columns. However, there seems to be an issue with first name column. Some entries containing special characters or incorrect contain special character or incorrect information. Before we proceeding with the analysis, we need to clean the data. Today, focus on the column expression node. This is a powerful tool will help us to rectify the special character error. To begin, return node repository and search column. We will find the corresponding node. Simply drag and drop. And connect with CSV reader node. Let's configure the column expression. Upon the clicking, the column expression window will appear, featuring the plus sign and expression editor. Click on the plus sign to reveal the expression editor, which include the icons of column and variables and functions. Depending on requirements, the function available include array length, mathematical function, regular expression, and more. Here, help window demonstrate how to utilize this function in sequence. Just like that, index. For the purpose of the cleaning our string data, we will use the regress method. So we just go to expression, type here to open the function, then select there is a column. We can select the column where we need to apply the formula. So just double click, there is a one column, Now we want to remove all special character. So there is a type, open, just write down 2Z and capital 2Z, and just that we just include A to Z and capital and small. We want all of the words, all of the words include ABCD alphabeticals. Now simply close, we just replace nothing, and there is a column expressions, all of the collection, replace column output. So we just want to replace with the first name. So we don't want to create one or another column, so we just want to replace our existing column to new column. We just check the our formula is correct or not. You just taken the first letter is writing is the correct value, just OK and execute here, or right click and execute. For the green sign, just scroll down and go to output table. We find that all are the special character has been removed. This showcase of the remarkable capability of the column expression node. Let's move for the same for last name column. So just double click here, and just we need to add one another formula. We just need to copy or replace. We go to here function, we need the regress replace, next column last name, type same, double quoted, small a to z, capital A to Z, and we also remove the number also. Now simply this is a last name column, so we just replace with the last name column for existing value and apply. Now again we execute. Column expression witness the magic, as all special character also has been removed in the last name column also. I just realize that this is a initial data and this is a final data. You can say that I just showcase you you can say that yeah, just Vedika Jain is corrected, this is Yadav, all are the words all has been removed for a special character after applying the formula with column expression. Now new column to our data set indicating the price range to achieve. We will employ the if and else clause of the column expression node once again. So now just open, just go click to configure. Now I want to add a price. I just where we need to look out the shopping table, shopping data, sorry, there is a price. I want to find the range of shopping areas price buckets. So go to column expression, add one more logic, Now I just type if price greater than or equal to 0 and price less than 10,000, then type 0 to 10K. Else if bracket open and bracket close, again select the column price greater than or equal to 10,000 and price less than 20,000, then 10K to 20K bucket. Again I want to add one more bucket, ELS. Else if you just copy this and paste here. I want to just modify 20K to that's 40K. So now this is range is a 20K to 40K. And again one more thing, so here other side like else print greater than or equal to 40,000, sorry 40K. I just want to add, not replace, so I want to add new bucket. So price I just want to change this type. This is a string type because this column the value is not be defined with integer and long, so we need to change this to type the string. Now go to and execute here. Here we can say that I am just for the better understanding I just closer the both column. You can see that is more than the 40,000, the bucket like a 40,000, it's like the 20 to 40K the buckets will. That's like of that we can do all of the analysis like this for the column expression node. Before we wrap up the things, I just want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude. Thank you to each and every one of you for being a part of this channel. If you are enjoying the content, finding the value in what I'm sharing here, don't forget to show your support by hitting the subscribe button and joining our community, and ensure you won't be miss out or any my next videos and discoveries are remarkable upon together. Thanks again for the being the part.